Hello students of class 6. So in my last lecture already I have discussed the topics of chapter 3, that is factors and multiples. So we have done up to exercise 3.3 also. So and some of the students also they are sharing with me the questions also, questions of exercise 3.3 also they are sharing with me, especially very good Subhashish, Jupranjali, Rudhir and Abhishek also. But I want everybody please share the answers with me. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So, and please try to, whenever I will give you a home task, please try to do it in a proper way. If you are not able to do, please try to share with me, then I can know that you are doing it in a proper way or not. So by that way I can clarify your doubts also. Okay, so please try to share. Next topic is prime and composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? Already you know what are prime numbers, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. That means the number which came in the table of 1 and the number which came in the table of itself is called a prime number. For example, 2 is a prime number. 2 is divisible by 1 and with 2. Similarly 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So these are prime numbers. Similarly 5 is divisible by 1 and itself. 4 is not a prime number because 4 is divisible by 1 also, 2 also, 4 also. Okay. So that was one definition. Already you know from your previous classes that a number which is divisible by 1 in itself is called a prime number. So now here according to the factors, how we can define a prime number. So on the basis of factors we can define a prime number as a number which have only two factors. So first is 1 and second is itself. There are many numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. We can say that number as prime numbers. For example, factor of 2 are 2 and 1. So this is a prime number. Similarly, factor of 3 are 3 and 1. So this is a prime number. 5, this is also a prime number, 5 and 1. If we say 4 is not a prime number because 4 has how many factors? 1, 2, 4. Because 4 comes in the table of 2 also. Okay. So there are total 3 factors of 4, that is 1, 2 and 4. So it is not a prime number. So here we have defined the prime numbers on the basis of factors. Okay. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So what are the examples of prime number? We can say examples of prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Okay, like this. So these are called prime number. And one more important thing is, what is the smallest prime number here? 2. Okay. So this is also called even prime number. Why even prime number? Already we know even number. What are even number? Already you know. So even prime number is only 1. That is what? Equal to 2. Okay. So 2 is only the even prime numbers. So this is about prime numbers. Next we have composite numbers. So what are composite numbers? The numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. That means the number which have more than 2 factors. Okay. Suppose 9. 9 have how many factors? 1, 3, 9. 9 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number. 8 is a composite number. Okay. So these numbers are called coprime, which have more than 2 factors. So many of you have one doubt, that is 1. 1 is a prime number or composite number. So what is the definition of prime? You have to check. Prime number, the definition of prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay. So according to that, 1 is not prime. And according to the definition of composite number, the number which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So this definition is also not true for 1. So that means 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Next is, there is a task, you have to do it in your book. You have to see the table 3.4. Here you have to cross all the non-prime numbers, that means which are not prime. So which are not prime, you have to cross it. Okay, so you can use your pencil and you can do it in your book itself. Okay, so try to do it. Next, come to the next topic, co-prime numbers. So what are co-prime numbers? Take any two numbers and try to find the factors. So what will happen, if we can find the common factors, and sometimes it may happen then that there is no common factor other than 1. Okay, so that type of number, if we take two numbers and we find the factors of the two numbers and we see that there is no common factor other than 1, then the two numbers are called co-prime numbers. Okay, so the example of co-prime number is suppose 3 and 10. Okay, 3 and 10, you can find the factor of 3 and 1. And what are the factors of 10? 2, 5, 10 and 1. So what will be the what is the common thing between the factor of factor of 3 and factor of 10? Only 1 is common. That means the factor 1 is common for 3 and also that is common for 10. That means we can say co-prime number 3, 10 are co-prime. Okay, so we can write it. So this is the definition. Two numbers having one factor in common, that is 1, are called co-prime numbers. For example, factors of 3 is equal to 3, 1. Next is factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. So what is common between both? Only 1. 1 is common. So we can write 3, 10 are co-prime numbers. Okay. Next, your home task is you have to write 5 co-prime numbers in your copy and you have to share with me. Okay. Next is twin primes. What are twin primes? See, the two prime numbers with only one gap between them. For example, we can say 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are called twin prime because after 3 we have one gap and then after that we have 5. So 3 and 5 are called twin prime because 3 and 5 are already prime numbers, but between them there is only one gap, that are called twin prime numbers. So you can write the definition: the pair of prime numbers with only one gap between them are called twin prime. So the other examples are 17 and 19. Okay. So next is even and odd number. So what are even number? Already you know about even number. The multiples of 2. The numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even number, and the numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd number. Okay. So already you know about even number. How will you check an even number? If in unit place, if it is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is called an even number. Already I told you these things in our previous lectures. So next is exercise 3.4. So you have to do it. Okay. So try to do question number 1. Okay. So try to do question number 1, 3 and 4. So in next I will discuss about the question 2. So this much for today. Please try to do. And what are the home tasks? You have to write, you have to complete the table 3.4 which I have told you. You have to cross the not prime number, the numbers which are not prime, you have to cross it. You have to do it in book. Next you have to write 5 examples of co-prime number in your copy. Next you have to write 5 examples for twin prime numbers. Next you have to write, you have to do exercise 3.4, question number 1, 3 and 4. And question number 2 I will do it in my next lecture. Okay. Okay. Thank you for today. Please try to do all the questions. Thank you.